In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple slides in Google Slides. Now, whether you're organizing a presentation or simply clearing out some clutter, knowing how to efficiently manage your slides can really streamline your workflow. First things first, we need to get to Google Slides. Open up your web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides. Alternatively, you can also navigate through Google Drive to access it. Once you're there, if you're not already signed in, you'll need to log into your Google account. Remember, this step is vital because your Google Slides are linked to your account and you won't be able to access your presentations without signing in. Once you're successfully signed in, you will be taken to the Google Slides homepage. From here you have a couple of options. If you're starting fresh, click on blank presentation to create a new project. If you're working with an existing set of slides or a particular template, go ahead and select that. Now let's dive into the slides themselves. To delete multiple slides at once, you'll first need to select them. You can do this by clicking on the first slide you want to delete, holding down the Shift key, and then clicking on the last slide you want to include in your selection. All the slides between the first and last one you clicked will be selected. If the slides you wish to delete are random or non-consecutive, hold down the Ctrl or CMD on a Mac key while clicking each slide individually. This flexibility allows you to customize your selection effortlessly. With your slides selected, let's move on to the deletion process, which is quite simple. Look for the delete option, which can usually be found by right-clicking on one of the selected slides or by pressing the delete key on your keyboard. If you prefer to use the menu bar, you can also navigate to Edit at the top and choose the delete option there, which will remove all the selected slides in one go. And that's it. Your unwanted slides are now gone, leaving you with just the content you need. This method is not only efficient but also ensures you maintain a tidy and relevant presentation. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're now more confident in managing your slides in Google Slides. Remember, the key to mastering any tool is practice, so don't hesitate to get hands-on. Thanks for watching and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks.